And we're on.
Good. Just hold hands and bend it down. Alright. Uh-oh, I didn't check. Oh, this is so bad. Alright, get right. You want to just turn it off for a little bit while we wait for the street to clear. Oh, yes.
Are they all out already?
They're all out?
Give it a good shake. I don't know.
Show it to the...
Huh?
I don't think they're all out.
I think they're still in there. Yeah, they are still in there.
Well,
Shake some of them out.
they'll get out, just you wait. The soda's in there, which is all we really need. Just give it a couple
Oh, they're out there. Definitely gotta be out there.
Nothing out yet. Oh.
Is it getting rock solid?
Yes, it's rock solid.
Alright, hold it. Trust it out. Trust it out.
Oh dear.
Look,
There's a couple out, it looks like.
Yeah, probably. Well, I mean, once the soda gets into the Mentos, that's all you need.
yeah.
And the soda's definitely in the bag. Right here.
Let's just make sure, let's get some in there so we can get the little Mentos cannon thing going.
That's always a good thing.
And let's wait for,
people, so.
yeah, let's wait for people to not be walking by.
Does that record sound?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
That was never good. Oh, there's definitely something out. Yeah.
That's the stuff right there.
Alright.
Post it. You know, we should probably get bags out of
We should probably wait for that guy to stop jamming. Alright, I think we're ready to go. You guys ready?
Oh, James, make sure everyone's on the top.
Alright, let's try.
Not yet, wait. Go.
Alright, first throw.
As usual, first throw, a dud.
Let's remark on the cap. Alright, hold on, James.
You want to throw it?
I would.
Okay. Shit.